Between rent, utilities, groceries, and endless subscriptions, it can feel like you're constantly forking out for bills. Chuck car insurance on top, and it's enough to make anyone want to set fire to their bank account. Thankfully, there are several ways you can cut back on your premiums whilst keeping you and your sweet set of wheels protected. In this video, I'm going to talk you through the basic costs of car insurance, as well as 10 top tips for how you can save. The average cost of car insurance in the UK is approximately £471 a year. For drivers under 25, this could be considerably more, while over 50s with a good driving track record could enjoy much lower premiums. There are two main costs associated with your car insurance. One is the cost of your cover, this is your premium, and the other is your excess, which is the minimum amount of money you'll have to pay out towards a claim. Several factors can affect the cost of your premium, including the driver's age, the type of vehicle you drive, your location, your driving history and habits, your occupation, and even your marital status. Because you know what they always say, the key to a good marriage is two excellent drivers? A lot of these factors will obviously be beyond your control, including the fact that in the UK you're legally required to have at least third-party cover as a minimum. However, there are a number of additional factors that you can control that can help you save on your car insurance. Tip number 1. If you've yet to buy a car or are looking to trade in your old model, you can save at the first hurdle because the total value of your car is one of the main price considerations for your premiums, where you can invest in a cheap, safe and common vehicle, because expensive cars with limited security features and rare parts attract high premiums. Number 2. If your policy is loaded with features, drop any optional extras that don't apply to you. For example, if you're not going to be pulling a trailer, you won't want a policy that's making you pay out for phantom trailer cover. Number 3. Increase your security. Consider fitting your car with an alarm or a dash cam, but be aware though that not all insurers recognise all security systems, so check in advance with your provider. Tip number 4 is off-street parking. Parking your car in a secure location, garage or driveway can help lower your premiums, especially in high crime areas. Money-saving tip number 5 is to consider reducing your mileage. Could you alternate between driving and using public transport? And be sure to inform your insurer if your commute becomes dramatically shorter for any reason. If you really don't drive all that often, you might want to consider temporary or pay-as-you-go car insurance, so that you're only paying out when you actually use the car or for the miles you actually drive. Tip number 6 is to only add drivers that regularly use the car. If usage is balanced, you might also want to consider putting the policy in the name of the safest, most senior driver. Don't use this to pull a fast one on your insurer though, as this could affect any claims you need to make in the future. Tip 7. It goes without saying that being a safe driver will obviously keep your premiums down. It can be easy enough to let a few speeding points creep onto your licence, but a long trail of fines and points will keep bumping up the costs of your car insurance. Tip number 8 is that if you do get into any scrapes, you should avoid making claims on smaller expenses. It might work out cheaper in the long run if you can afford to pay for the cost of repairs out of pocket. Maintaining your no claims as well as your reputation as a safe driver can make a big difference. Tip number 9 is to shop around. Naturally, you might think that great cover costs more, but it's always worth comparing comprehensive cover against third-party fire and theft and other policies that might suit you. Your personal circumstances, as well as the age of your car, could make a big difference to the level of cover that you need. There are loads of providers out there offering loads of deals and discounts, so head to finder.com/UK to compare which provider would be right for you. Links are in the description below. My final tip to decrease your premiums is to increase your excess amount. Be wary of making this too high, however, as insurers won't pay out if you incur damages less than your excess. One of the key things with car insurance is to make sure that your policy suits your personal circumstances. Head to finder.com/UK for more money-saving tips and to compare which policy and provider would be right for you. Links are in the description below. If you like this video, you can subscribe to our channel by hitting this button here, or stay tuned for our next video. Thanks for watching.